They called 911. Today, of all days, her big presentation, the day she had been waiting on, the day everything mattered. And nobody thought it had anything to do with water. Not one person said, maybe she's dehydrated. Before I tell you what happened, if your body has been feeling off, tired, foggy, not quite right, don't wait. I created a simple 3-day reset you can try right now. No guesswork, no overwhelm. Just something simple your body already understands. Scan the QR code on the screen and start today. Because what happened to her didn't start that day. That morning, she didn't feel right. Not sick, just off. You know that feeling where your head feels heavy, your thoughts don't quite connect, like your brain is there but moving slow. But she didn't panic because honestly, that feeling had become normal. If you looked at her life, it made sense. Always busy, always moving, always pushing. Coffee in the morning, something sweet in the afternoon, water here and there. Enough to get by, but not enough to truly function. And over time, her body adjusted. Not to health, but to survival. And the truth is, this wasn't the first time she had heard about it. She had seen a video talking about dehydration, the symptoms, the warning signs. She even thought, wow, that's interesting. But she didn't think it had anything to do with her. Her cousin had even gone through something similar, real issues, something serious enough to talk about. But never in a million years would she have included herself in that same situation. Because she was still functioning, still showing up, still getting through her day. So she brushed it off, kept scrolling. Maybe I just didn't sleep good. I'll grab some coffee. I'll be all right. So she got dressed and went to work anyway. But today wasn't just any day. This was her big day. The presentation she had been preparing for, planning for, rehearsing for, over and over again. The kind of opportunity that could change everything. A promotion, a step forward, a door opening. She needed to be sharp, clear, focused, at her best. But instead, that fog was still there, and she felt it, but she ignored it, because this day was too important. And somewhere in her mind, water was never even part of the equation. Something so small, so simple, so overlooked. Could it really stop her? She didn't think so. So she pushed through. And all day, it followed her. That fog, that dragging feeling, like her body showed up, but she didn't fully arrive. Her head started pounding. Her body felt weak. That fog, it got thicker. But she kept going because everything in her said, just push through. Until her body said, no. She collapsed, right there, on the day that mattered most. That's when they called 911. And here's what shook me. It wasn't something big that stopped her. It was something small, something she had ignored day after day, something that had been whispering long before it ever had to shout. Her body was asking for water. By the time you feel thirsty, your body has already been asking for help. And if we're honest, we've all done it. We've seen it, heard it, even watched it happen to someone else, and still thought, not me. So before your body has to shout, listen while it's still whispering. If you didn't catch it earlier, scan the QR code and try the free 3-day reset. And if you already know, you need something deeper, something structured, something that walks with you step by step. I created a full 40-day healing reset. You'll find it in the description. Because your body isn't failing you, it's trying to talk to you.
So what do you actually do with this? Start simple. Before you change everything, before you try to fix your whole life overnight,
Just start with water. Most people don't need perfection. They need consistency. When you wake up in the morning, don't reach for coffee first. Give your body what it's been without all night. Start your day with water. Drink slowly throughout the day, not all at once. Your body isn't a bucket, it's a system. Pay attention to the signals. That tired feeling, that fog, those headaches. Don't just push past them. Your body is not working against you. It's working for you. And here's the part we don't like to hear, but it's the truth. We do this to ourselves, not on purpose, but through neglect of the small things. And the small things matter. Be faithful in the little things, and you won't have to deal with the big ones the same way. This is something that can be prevented. Not always everything, but more than we think. So don't wait until your body has to shut you down to get your attention. Start while you still have the choice. If you're not sure where to begin, I made it simple. Scan the QR code and try the free 3-day reset. Follow it step by step and see what your body does when you finally give it what it's been asking for. And if you already know, you need more than just a quick start. I created a full 40-day healing reset. Something structured. Something that walks you through this day by day so you don't fall back into the same patterns. You'll find that in the description. Because this isn't about doing something extreme. It's about doing something consistent. And sometimes the answer isn't complicated. It's just something we've been overlooking. Your body isn't failing you. It's trying to help you. You just have to listen.